Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the app itself eligible to display notifications silenced. First, open the specific chat thread and pull up its options, then mute or enable Do Not Disturb for that contact. Once done, confirm the app level setting that controls show badges or silent delivery. This option is often in notifications messages. Make sure to use the thread mute, not just phone silent, so the system tags incoming messages as silenced for recipients and local display. Next, you set system notification behavior so the label appears. Navigate to Settings and find the Messages or App Notification pane. Choose the Deliver Quietly or Similar option. Once done, confirm banners are off, locks are suppressed, and the Notification Center still receives messages. This differentiates quiet delivery from full blocking. Make sure to test with a second device. When configured correctly, incoming texts will show in Notification Center without sounds and carry the silenced indicator. Finally, validate the change and fix issues if the tag doesn't appear. You should send a test message from another phone or ask a contact to message you. Observe the Notification Center for the silenced label. If it fails, force close the app and restart the phone, then retry. Make sure both thread level mute and system deliver quietly are active. If problems persist, reset the app notification settings and reapply the mute. This resolves most mismatches between app and system states.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.